either in a big A0 sheet or in individual sheets in DIN A4 or letter size. And here I'm going to show you how to put together your letter size pattern. You need to make sure that your scale is either an inch or 5 centimeters, so that way you know everything is printed off correctly. And then you just have to cut out all the pattern pieces, and you can see here we've got attachment lines. It's really easy to put together, and also the front always has a white flower and the back always has a pink flower. I've cut out all my pattern pieces and put to the side the skirt and the front, and there we go. Just get everything with a white flower or yellow flower put to the side, and there we are. It's a very simple system. It uses an alphabetical order here. We go from A, B, C, etc., etc., and we just put them on in order. Works really well. You can see it here. We've got notches there so that you know which bits go together. And then the front we would put together in exactly the same way. You can see here how that works. It's all done already. Just a quick word to the skirt. It also gets put together in exactly the same way, but on the big A0 sheet it's a little bit different because the length for all the skirt sizes is not included. So you need to add whatever you cut away from the top to the hem so that it has the correct length. What I didn't want to do was make you pay for another A0 sheet because it didn't quite fit on. So the way to do that is very simple. First, measure down from the top edge to where your size is, and then you take that and add it to the hem. You can do that on the pattern, create a pattern for yourself, or you can just draw it out when you're actually cutting out, which is what I tend to do. And that's all that I want to say to the pattern. Here we can see the lovely dress. Now, the dress is made in a way that actually is very, very nice if you're a bit more busty and you have a smaller waist. If you need to merge your sizes, this is how you do it. You want to go by your bust size, and that also is the shoulder line you should go for. And then you just merge the sizes together. So in this case, we've got a size bigger in the waist and a size smaller in the bust. You just draw those lines nicely, just make it nice and smooth. It's actually dead easy to merge sizes on this. And then we have the back here, and again we go to what the bust was on the shoulder seam, and then from the underarm seam we merge into the small of the back, making it bigger to coming to that slight bigger waist. So if you need to merge sizes, I think this pattern is ideal for you. So now we can cut out our fabric.